What's up, guys? Welcome to the Maintenance Man channel. So this little stake side trailer, it's a 4x8 tilt bed I got for free. Wash it off. We're gonna stain it so I can back it up down the woods again, park it there for the winter. Gotta get set up for the Jeep though, extend the wiring harness a little bit. I might get LED lights, but for right now I've fixed and replaced all of these ones. And yeah, it's a nice little trailer that I got for free, which you just cannot beat. So there you have it. Wait for this to dry, put some Thompsons on it, get everything set. Might do a little painting also, not sure, a little rattle can. Gotta get these lights working, bud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're so broken. They're so broken.
Not broken now.
Daddy, I'll say you. That is fake. You need this. Do that.
Hold on, bud.
Why? You need that.
I will.
Mom, you need it. So what happens
this trailer video, basically I backed it up. I thought I would get to Thompson sealer it today. I didn't. Had a birthday party I had to go to, which was awesome. Great time. Kids had awesome, you know, with all their cousins and stuff. Awesome time. So I didn't get to it today to finish it up, but I think I'm gonna go to Walmart tomorrow. I'm having some wiring issues. I don't know if it's the harness or whatever. I fixed it, as you guys can see, and making it longer to reach the Jeep 4 plug. So I'm gonna buy some LED lights, runner lights, all that, update the trailer. But first thing in the morning, I'm gonna wake up, make some breakfast, then go out, Thompson sealer that trailer, and then get started on the wiring and all that eventually. It does need new tires. So basically, this trailer was sitting in a lot, and it was covered by brush and everything, and I eventually was out that way a lot, and I asked the owner, I said, how much do you want for that trailer? I was gonna offer, like, you know, $300-400. He goes, if you can get rid of it, it's yours, you know. And signed the title over, sent it in and all that. Well, I still have to do that. Got it for free, you know, because I went out early before work, and I wanted to record this, but I didn't. Is when I had the Borrego, and I thought it would be great. And I got 3 ton of a river rock in that. And so basically, though, I went out, pumped up the tires, all dry rotted. Took me like a good half an hour to get cleared out of the bush and all that stuff. There was fence posts and stuff all over it. Pulled it out, and all the stake bed sides were all ratchet strapped down in that. So I, you know, being the guy I am, I brought it home, bought lumber, and basically just took the stake sides that were there and recreated them, minus the front closest to the vehicle, because I was short on 2x4s and the rest of the material, so I kept the previous wood. And we're going to make this something that I want it to be, but it's great having it. And eventually I'd like to get the kids a go-kart and all that, and that's a trailer to tote it around. You know, it's a tilt trailer. Gonna be picking up a riding lawnmower hopefully soon. I'll be able to just tilt that bad boy down, push it on up, and you know, so it's a great thing to have for free. I mean, listen, wise words from my father. Never hurts to ask, you know. I don't care if they tell me no, and I'll tell them that. If you need it, just say no. But if you don't, I'll take it. I'll take it off your hands. So, it never hurts to ask.